Hey guys, what's up? So today, got a quick unboxing for you. Got this package today. Thought I'd go ahead and unbox it. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Let's see. It's taped up pretty well. Let's see. There we go. So, whoops, rip that off. Let me, give me 1 minute. Okay, so I got it open. There was a little receipt in there. Had my address on it, so I took it out. You might be able to tell what's in this box by just looking at that. Let's see, do you know what it is yet? Do you know what it is yet? Go ahead and take the tape off. Alright, yeah. There's this little lot of 2. So we got a original yellow roof CE here, HO scale CE. And then we also have a Scene Master remake that Walters has been doing right here. And then, can't get it to turn. There's the little information piece on the back, on the price tag that they put on these. So yeah, I mean, there's not really anything too crazy to talk about with either of these buses. But I figured, since content is kind of slow right now, you guys would like to see just this quick little unboxing. Yeah, both of these buses are going to get opened and numbered. This one, I'm thinking I'm going to make it 47 to replace my older 47, which is an S-Series Bluebird Herpa that I sold. So, yeah, I haven't decided about this one. This one might become 59 because I do have a 59 that's technically out of service, but it hasn't been replaced. So I don't know. We'll see. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching. Bye.